guys, Danielle Cormier here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just giving you this nice cranberry poppin', ooh, she a hot glass of wine cuisine look today. So if you want to see it, you know how I am. Enough of my talking, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so for today's look we will be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the original, the first Jaclyn Hill palette, not that Volt. That's, I've heard isn't that great. But this palette on the other hand is fire, and I do love her. As you can see, she's kind of dirty and grungy, like I already said before. Like, she's kind of nasty on me, which is crazy because when you open it up, like, look at this. Look at this. I don't use her a lot. I really don't. Like, I don't know what the deal is. Anyway, so today's look we're going to be creating. I don't even know what we're creating. You know me, I'm always all over the place. I'm going out tonight for a friend's birthday. Two friends' birthdays, actually. Their birthdays were this month. So I'm going out for their birthdays, and we're going to go eat. We're going to go drink some more spritzes. Anyway, enough of me talking. Hair done. I'm trying to hurry up and do my makeup before it gets dark outside, but I feel like it's already getting dark outside, so I'm not going to be able to take good pictures because I feel like y'all get tired of like seeing the same space back here in all of my Instagram pictures, my Instagram posts. Like, y'all be like, girl, take a picture somewhere different. And I feel you. I do, but I also feel the other side of the world, and you know, this thing called like daylight savings, and you know, now it's dark at freaking 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So my apologies. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in. Oh, you guys wanna zoom out? You can't really see my shirt, but she's really cute, right? Okay. I got her from Windsor. All right, we're zooming. Stop talking, Daniel. So for today's look, you'll see my color, feeling like the maroon vibe. So I think we're gonna do like a maroon type of look. So this is my beat up, dusty, like she real dusty, Jaclyn Hill palette. I think I'm gonna start with this color first and use this as my transition color. Just because I like the color. So I'm going to take my Morphe 441 brush and we're going to dip into that color first. Before I continue, I'm going to take a little bit of, I'm going to take this Morphe brush and a little bit of the Huda Beauty powder and just kind of damp it under my eye. For any, you know, fallout. It's raining powder. Alright, next. So the next color I'm going to be going in, we're going to use this color. It looks like really red on camera, but it's not. It's like it's red, but it's more like a burgundy kind of color. And I'm going to be taking my Morphe, I'm going to take another Morphe M441. And we're going to place this color right in the crease and blend it in with that first shade that we went in. This is why I love Morphe palettes. I do. 90% of the time, every time I get a Morphe palette, fire, bomb. But just put the names of the colors in the palette, please. Because I'd be so confused. How am I supposed to do makeup tutorials and tell y'all what I'm using and what color I got going on and I don't even know the name? Because I lose that plastic sheet every time. Guaranteed. They're all gone. I'm surprised I still have the James Charles one. Anyway, taking this color, I'm talking too much. we're going to place this right in the crease and just slightly above, blending in with that like mustard delicious yellow color. Okay, and using the same brush, I'm going to go in with the color right underneath it, which is more of a maroon color, like what I have on right now. And I'm just going to put it right over top of it and slightly just below. I want to make sure that the colors are blending together, but I can still see like all three colors. And then I'm going to tap it in my outer V too. Okay, so next I'm going to go back in with that same mustard color, and I'm just going to lightly blend all the outer edges up here with that color so it's nice and beautiful and blended. Okay, so next I'm going to just deepen up the inner corner just a tad bit, and I think I want to use a brown. So I'm gonna use this brown right here in the corner, and we're just gonna take the Morphe E17, tap that in there, and just lightly deepen up that outer V. This is just going to give your eyes some depth and dimension and really just bring out all the colors, and so that you're just not focusing on like this shade, you know what I'm saying? When you bring in that depth, then you can really see those layers in your shadows. And then I'm gonna just bring you in just a little bit so you can really tell the difference. So this is an eye without it, right? It's just kind of like, oh, it's just an eye, whatever. But then when you put that brown in there, you see like you can see the depth, like you can see the difference. It looks really good. So just remember that. So next we're gonna work in layers. I'm gonna take some shimmers. So starting with this shimmer right here, I'm gonna take a flat brush and we're gonna put that right at the end of the V. So take some on a flat brush, hit it with a little bit of Fix Plus, and we're just gonna place that right in the outer. You're not putting it all the way in, but you just want it to kind of blend in with that V. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with this top color right here, this like bright pink color. I'm gonna wipe off that brush. And again, spray it with some Fix Plus. And we're just gonna go right in the center of the eye with this color. Okay, so last I'm going to take a smaller, more precise, this is more like a smudge brush, but I'm going to take the color right here, and we're going to put that in the rest of the eye, and yeah. This one I'm not going to spray with Fix Plus, but we're just going to pop it right in the corner, just like so. So I'm going to go ahead and do the lower lash line as well. I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay. This is the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. Go back in with the brown color. And a small brush. And I'm going to take that burgundy color and another small like pencil brush and just mix it. And I take the Morphe M332 back with that mustard color, and I'm just going to make sure where there are no harsh lines. I just blend it out really well. Lashes are on. Alright, next I'm going to be going in with the ColourPop Luxe lipsticks. These are in the colors La Lady and Overlay. And lastly, I'm taking Overlay, which is this kind of color, and we're just going to put that right in the center of the lips for kind of like an ombre. And this will give the appearance that you have bigger lips as well. Okay guys, and this is the final look for you today. So if you're feeling that fall, you know, winter, just maroons and reds and whatever is your preference, but more so this kind of color is your preference, then this is the look for you. This is the color for you. It goes great with this color. But thank you so much for watching my channel. Make sure you like this video, you comment, you subscribe, you share, you do what you gotta do, and you get my views up, you get my subscribers up, you know what I'm saying? Because it's not hard, you're already here, so you might as well just do it. You watched the video, didn't you? Didn't you? You watched it, right? Okay, so go ahead and just watch all the rest of my videos and all that kind of stuff too. So thank you so much for watching my channel. I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.